Hello and welcome to the spoken tutorial on my first HTML program. In this tutorial, we will learn structure of an HTML document, write a sample HTML program, save and run the HTML program. To practice this tutorial, you should know to use any WYSIWYG or text editor and a web browser. If not, then go through gedit text editor and Firefox tutorials on this website. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, HTML5, gedit text editor, and Firefox web browser. However, you may use any other editor or browser of your choice. The files used in this tutorial are available in the code files link on this tutorial page. Please download and extract them. Now we will see how to create and run simple HTML programs. First, open your text editor. I have already opened my gedit text editor. Let us start to write our HTML code. For this demo, I have already written a code and will be explaining the same. The same file is available in the code files link as mentioned earlier. Doctype HTML. Each HTML document begins with doctype before the actual HTML code starts. Here in the doctype tag, I have mentioned the type of the document as HTML. Make sure that you have written the keyword doctype in capital letters. Next comes the HTML section, which has our actual content. The HTML code has to be written between these two tags. After the HTML tag, we have the head section. The head section contains the header information of the page like title, description, keywords, and more. I have mentioned the title of this page as Farmers Market with the help of title tag. After the head section comes the body section. The body section is the one which has the content to be displayed on the web page. For this demo, I have written a welcome message with the help of h1 heading tag. While writing your HTML code, please use proper indentation. This will make the code neat and more readable. Our code is ready, so let's save this file now. I will press Ctrl and S keys on my keyboard. The Save As dialog box opens. Now choose the desired location to save your file. I will select desktop on my machine. Here I will create a folder with the help of Create Folder button and named it as my-html. This folder will help me to organize my HTML files in a single location on my machine. Click on Create button. I will save the name of the file as myfirstpage.html. Please note that the HTML file has to be saved with either .html or .htm extension. Lastly, click on the Save button. Our file is saved now. Let's confirm this. Open the desktop. Here is the folder my-html which I had created. Double-click on it to see what it contains. And here is our HTML file. We have successfully created our HTML file and saved it. Now let us see how to run it. Right-click on the file and select Open with option. Then choose any web browser that is available. I will choose Firefox. This will open our HTML file in the Firefox web browser. The web page opens, but instead of our HTML code, we see only the text which we mentioned in the body section. Welcome to Farmers Market. Notice the browser's title. It says Farmers Market. This is the text we had mentioned in the head section. The browser interprets the tags we used and displays only the content. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned structure of an HTML document, write a sample HTML program, and save and run the program. As an assignment, create myhomepage.html using any text editor. Set the title as My Assignment. It has to display Welcome to my first HTML page. Open the HTML page in a web browser and see the output. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials and gives certificates on passing online tests. For more details, please write to us. Do you have questions in this spoken tutorial? Please visit this site. Choose the minute and second where you have the question. Explain your question briefly. Someone from our team will answer them. The Spoken Tutorial Forum is for specific questions on this tutorial. Please do not post unrelated and general questions on them. This will help reduce the clutter. With less clutter, we can use these discussion as instructional material. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Praveen from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.